Alright, okay, so let's continue, guys. So this session is actually a completion of what we had started in the previous lesson, guys. Okay, so here we want to focus on creating a brand website. This is the second part. We have covered the first part and we actually created the first part of it, and now we want to finish. We just want to finish this process. And the good thing about this last process is because we are going to be adding content. I'm going to show you how to add content and then tie your domain to your Wix website. Okay, so you're now going to continue building your Wix site and finish and complete. Then you will be adding content, right? I'm going to show you in form of infographics on how to do the whole process. Then you will tie your domain to your Wix site. All right, so for those who have already bought domain in the previous lesson, so this is what we want to do. Okay, so remember, we're just building a very basic website. Don't stress about having a very complicated professional website. No, we just want a very basic website, okay? Because we're just starting out. And remember, you're still waiting for your inventory to arrive in Amazon. You're still waiting for samples. You're still doing the process of communication and all that. So all these things, we just need to do them now. All right. This website actually, you're just gonna use it even, I think, in 2 to 3 months from now, okay, from where you are right now. But if you've already done shipping and your shipping is almost arriving in Amazon, then you really need to do this process quickly. Okay, so let's go back to the website we had created in the first part, and we have the Outdoor Squared. And you guys can remember we bought the Outdoor Squared domain, all right? So as you can see, these are default content, okay, default blog that comes with the Wix website, okay, the one that you just created. And you of course, you're not going to be using these. You're going to be deleting these default content, and you're going to be adding yours. So what you need to do is simply hover over one of the content, and then you will see the pop-up appearing. Okay, so once they appear, very simple, you just need to click on settings. All right, you click on settings here, and then you will have this menu bar here. Okay, so let's click on layout, and then you will see examples of layout that you are going to be shown. Okay, we have the tiled, we have side by side, we have magazine. So if you click on magazine, you will see your content appearing in form of a beautiful photo or an image, then a small title. Okay, if you click on another layout, we have side by side, you will see the same, having your content appearing side by side. Okay, so you'll be able to choose whichever layout you want, but for now I want us to add content. That is what I want us to do. So you're gonna go to head over to the left side and then click on this my blog icon. Then you will have this pop-up menu. Then you're gonna click on manage posts. Okay, so you will have all your posts and blog aligned side by side, as you can see here. So what I want us to do, you can either edit here, you can just click edit and then edit these everything that you see here, all this content here, the writings, the images, or alternatively you can just come and click on create a post. All right, just create a new post and then delete the ones that are there by default. All right, so let's create a new post here. Remember, we just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm just gonna copy paste a post from a website and then give reference to that post, okay, to that article. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna search on Google about mountain bike articles, and then I'm gonna click the first one that appears, and then just look for what's really relevant to my product, right? So I'm gonna look at the post, I'm gonna scroll down, look for some, and I see this looks like really dope because I'm seeing mountain bikes and I'm seeing it looks simple. That's a beautiful image. So I want to use this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is simple. I'm gonna copy the title. I'm gonna click on that article, and then I'm gonna copy the title. I'm gonna paste it here. All right, and again, before I even paste it in the Wix website, I'm gonna save the image. So I'm just right clicking on the image here, and then save image as. You're gonna give it a name like MB1, right? So simple, so that you don't forget, you know where it is, right? Then I'm gonna click on save, and then come and paste the title here. So make sure the cursor is in the box here because I want us to upload the image. So we're gonna come to this camera icon thing that says add image. Click on it. Then of course you're gonna have this pop-up here, and then you're gonna upload images. You're gonna click on this upload images button. Once you do that, you just click apply. Alright, because the image will upload itself and you will see it here. Click on done and then simply just click on apply once it is finished. Okay, so you will have the image on your blog website, okay, which is the Wix. There you go, the image has been uploaded. So what I want us to do right now is to add the article, okay, blog itself. I'm gonna go back to the website where I got the blog, highlight everything, copy, then paste it just below the image where the article goes, right? And then I'm gonna give credit to the one who wrote this article. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy the link, okay, copy the link of the website, and then right here, this article was first published on, you paste the URL there. Very, very simple, okay, because remember, this is not our article, we're just giving credit to the person who wrote it, but at the same time we are building our website and we wanted to have at least some content as we wait to really take a lot of action with our website. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna click publish. All right, and then you will see your article has been published here. So if you want, you can edit. If you want, you can, you know, do whatever you want to do. And I just want to stress out that if you really know your product niche very well, you can go ahead and write your own article. But to me, I just think there's a lot of time. I like to hire people to write articles for me, and you can do that on Fiverr, you can do that on Upwork, whereby you just post a simple article writing jobs, and then just give them keywords. All right, and they're gonna write really, really nice articles for you. All right, so let's continue. So now, after you've done that, of course, you can click save or publish. But for now, I want us to save because we haven't finished working on this article. So now that you've clicked save, it will save the article. You can click preview so you can see how your site looks like on the desktop or mobile, okay, before you go live, because we haven't published it. We've just clicked saved. We've clicked on save. All right, so now this is how it looks like on the, you know, once you've clicked on save. So there is your link. You can click on the link, open it on the next window, and then have a look at it. And then if you really like it, then you can just, you know, you can leave it the way it is. Okay, so what I want us to do right now is to click go back to editor. All right, so once you click go back to editor and you like everything the way it is, I think it's time for you now to click on publish. Okay, you just click on publish, and then you're good to go. So your article is live on your website. So I just want to stress out that if you're really feeling confused or you don't know what to do, you can just go to support, the Wix support, and click on support and get all support information that you need to do, getting started, everything that you need to know about handling or, you know, creating new content for your website, anything. Okay, and you can even type and search whatever you're trying to look for. All right, so it's very simple. Now, so let's publish this site so it goes on to our site and becomes, or, you know, this article, so it goes onto our website and so that it becomes live. All right, so good. So before you do that, you can decide to view again if you want, and then you can just click done if you're satisfied with how it is. So I want to stress about something again that you will see here. Most of the time, since this is a free plan we have for Wix, when you publish this article, this blog, it will have the Wix stamp, okay, in outdoorsquare.wixsite.com. If you upgrade, this wixsite.com will disappear, and then you will have outdoorsquare.com. Okay, so let us go and upgrade now, because now, you know, we want to really get down into using our website. All right, so let's go and upgrade. It will take you to this page where you'll see subscriptions, and then you'll scroll down to premium plans. Now you'll click on premium plans, and then you will have these different options. All right, remember guys, we're running a business, and this is why I taught you way earlier before how to use the RAINS financial tracking management sheet, so you can be able to be, you know, tracking your expenses, your business expenses, These are one of the expenses I'm talking about. All right. So for example, I suggest you just go for the $11 per month, which is it's 11 only if you pay yearly, but if you pay per month, it becomes $14 per month. These are one of the expenses you need to, input in your Rain's financial tracking management document. All right. You don't need the others. This is just too expensive for nothing. You just need we need to have this so we can just be able to connect your domain and remove the Wix ads, all right, on your site. Good. So let's go back to domains. Click on domains because I want us to connect the domain, the OutSquare domain, to the Wix website. Okay. Click on domains. It will take you to this page whereby you're gonna connect a domain you already own. I assume by now all of us have already bought domains. I don't want you to buy domains through the Wix website. Why? Because they might look really, really cheap when you're buying them. They might seem extremely cheap, but after some time, the prices normally go really high. All right, like 4 times or 5 times extremely expensive. So for now, we're gonna focus on just connect the domain you already own. I'm sure probably you bought your domains from Namecheap or GoDaddy. So click on that and then select a plan. We're gonna select $11 per month. Enter your select the plan that you want to buy, because you see here it's $11 times 12 months. It's quite expensive. All right, so just go for the monthly. All right, then click select. Okay, and then enter your card details. Just buy 14.50, and then your site is premium. Now my test site for the purposes of demonstration with this tutorial is live. Okay, so let's continue and go back to Wix, because now we want to link the domain. So once you get to this page, if you scroll down, you will see a blue button. It's very small, that says connect your domain. Click on that blue button and then get here. So you're going to enter, all right, your domain here, outdoorsquared.com. All right, once you do that, it will take you to this page. Just click connect. It will take you to this page where you'll be given instructions on how to log in to your domain provider. For example, they've been told GoDaddy, Enom, One-and-One, but in our case, I used Namecheap. Your domain provider is the company where you purchased the outdoorsquared.com. So in this case, it's Namecheap. So number one. Number two, go to your domain DNS name server settings. I'm going to show you right now, so don't worry. These are just instructions from Wix on what to do, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Find your domain management page. Go to your domain DNS name server settings. Update your domain name service. Edit your name service. Replace your current name service with these custom name servers. So basically, this is what's going to be showing on your domain provider, which is Namecheap or GoDaddy. Okay, this is what's going to be showing, but you want to change this to this. All right, so what you're going to do is simple. You're going to copy these two. So I'll start with the first one. Copy this. Just click copy here. Don't worry about highlighting. Just click copy. Let's go back to Namecheap, okay, where we bought our domain. Log in. Go to dashboard. All right, there is your dashboard, and then you're gonna look at how the screen is. So you're gonna click on your domain, okay, outdoorsquared.com. So once you click on it, I want you to be able to scroll, go to the right side, and then click manage. All right, click that manage button, then you will be brought to this page. So you just scroll down to where it says name servers. You can see name servers here. All right, so at the right of name servers, you will see Namecheap basic DNS. Okay, this space here. So you see there's a small drop down button here. Click on that button. You will see Namecheap basic DNS, Namecheap web hosting DNS, custom DNS. So I want you to click on custom DNS. Click on that. This will open up. All right, so once this open up, paste what you had copied from Wix, the first name service. Okay, paste it here. Go back and copy the second one. All right, paste it here, the name server 2, paste it there. Now you have everything pasted the way it's supposed to be. Now, so once you've done that, click on this small tick here that says save, and then you're done. So you'll be told DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So don't worry about this. Sometimes it might take faster, sometimes it's really slow. So once you're done, you're good to go. So just go back to Wix, click verify connection. All right, so once you click on verify connection, you might get an error message that tells you we need more time to verify a domain. That is fine, because you've been told already it's going to take 48 hours. So you're good to go. Just leave it that way. All right, so just go to my domains, and then you're good to go. Now, I just want to bring to your attention that if what I've just taught right now seems to be very confusing and stressful, and maybe you think you might really get confused, let us all go back to our favorite site called Fiverr.com. So where we can find guys who can do anything and everything for us, and just for some small fee, we can have them do what I've just taught you. All right, so you can see I'm in Fiverr and I've clicked Wix. Okay, and then I had all these come up, so you can see $30. Some are very expensive, $300, $40 is fine, $30 is fine. Okay, I will design and redesign Wix with code and database. All right, so I have another one here. Just right click, open and see what they're talking about. Basic, blah 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 blah, set up everything you need for your basic website up to 5 pages. So right now you just need something like this, okay, because you just want something really basic. Delivery time 4 days. Okay, so just contact this person here, contact him, send him a message, and just start talking to him. Go back and forth. You can even try tell him you have $20 instead of 25, and they will work for you. You know, you just gotta give them the information they will require from you, and they can do what I've just taught you within 4 days, and you have your Wix site completely done. All right, now we have covered how to create your brand website. Okay, next you will discover how to create your brand YouTube channel. So action step, build your brand website. All right, so guys, we've covered this creating a brand website, the two parts of it. I really want us to take action, and I want us to really try hard and move forward, all right, without really wasting time. So if you have any questions, guys, you can ask on the community, you can ask in the group. For those who've already done this exercise, they will really guide you and help you on what to do. All right, so with that being said, guys, that's it for this lesson. Take care.